10 budget-friendly garden border ideas that look high-end. Number 6 will surprise you. Let me ask you something honest. Have you ever looked at a beautifully designed garden and thought, how does that look so expensive? And then looked at your own garden borders and felt that quiet frustration of knowing something is missing, but not being able to put your finger on exactly what? I'll tell you what it is. It's the borders. Every single high-end garden you've ever admired has one thing in common: defined, intentional, beautifully finished borders. And every garden that looks unfinished, regardless of how good the plants are, has borders that were never properly thought through. The good news: you don't need to spend a fortune to fix this. Today, I'm giving you 10 budget-friendly border ideas that look genuinely expensive. Some cost almost nothing. Number 6 is something most people walk straight past every single day without realizing its potential. Welcome to No Fail Garden. Real ideas, honest budgets, zero experience required. Subscribe and turn on notifications right now. Before we start, drop a comment telling me what your garden borders look like right now. No judgment. Just one sentence. I want to know exactly where you're starting from. Let's get into it. Why borders change everything. One quick thing before the list. Borders are the punctuation of your garden. They separate one space from another. They create order from chaos. They tell your brain, someone designed this. Someone is in control here. Without good borders, even the most beautiful plants look random. With good borders, even the simplest planting looks intentional and designed. That's the power we're about to put in your hands. Let's go. Idea number 1. Dark steel lawn edging. Simple, clean, devastatingly effective. Thin dark steel edging strips pushed into the ground along your lawn, and bed borders create the sharpest, most architectural line you've ever seen in a garden. The kind of line that makes people assume a professional was involved. Installation takes 20 minutes. Push the strips into a shallow trench along your borderline. Backfill. Done. The contrast between dark steel, green grass, and dark mulch is genuinely stunning. Clean, modern, and permanent. Cost? Around £15 to £25 for a medium garden. Best value on this entire list. Have you ever used steel edging in your garden? Tell me in the comments. Idea number 2. Recycled brick borders free. Timeless. Full of character. Old bricks from salvage yards, skips, or Facebook Marketplace create borders that look like they've always been there. That weathered patina, the mineral deposits, the slight irregularities, is something no new material can replicate. Lay them flat end to end for a simple classic look. Or set them at 45 degrees partially buried for a beautiful zigzag diamond pattern that looks genuinely designed. Dig a shallow trench. Set your bricks. Backfill firmly. That's the entire process. Search free bricks on Facebook Marketplace right now. You will not believe what people are giving away. Cost? Potentially zero. Idea number 3. Painted concrete border blocks. This one surprises people every time. Standard concrete border blocks, the basic ones from any garden center, are usually dismissed as cheap and uninspiring. And on their own, they are, but paint them and everything changes. Choose an exterior masonry paint in a bold modern color. Matte black, deep charcoal, warm terracotta, dusty sage green. Apply 2 coats. Allow to dry fully. Suddenly, those basic concrete blocks become bold, intentional, architectural border features that look like something from a high-end garden design magazine. The transformation costs around £8 for a tin of paint. The impact is completely disproportionate to that investment. Cost? Blocks around 10 pounds to 20 pounds. Paint around 8 pounds to 15 pounds. What color would you paint yours? Tell me below. Idea number 4. Gabion basket mini borders. If you want a border that looks seriously architectural and seriously expensive, Gabion baskets. These are simple wire mesh cages filled with stones, rocks, or rubble that create bold, structural border features with real visual weight and presence. The modern approach is to use smaller, lower Gabion forms as garden bed borders rather than the tall retaining wall versions most people associate with them. Low Gabion borders, around 20 to 30 centimeters high, filled with pale limestone, slate, or even broken terracotta pieces, create an incredibly distinctive border that combines hard structure with natural material beauty. Fill them with whatever stone material suits your garden style. Pale limestone for a warm Mediterranean feel. Dark slate for something sharper and more contemporary. Mixed river stones for a natural organic quality. Cost? Small Gabion border forms run around 15 pounds to 30 pounds per meter. Stone filling around 10 pounds to 20 pounds. Idea number 5. Woven hazel hurdle borders. Rustic. Handmade. Genuinely beautiful. The woven hazel hurdle panels, traditional woven branch fencing used as low garden borders, create the most characterful cottage garden border you can imagine. And they look far more expensive than they actually are. Buy pre-made hazel hurdle rolls from garden centers or online. Cut to length. Push securing stakes into the ground at 30-centimeter intervals along your border line. Fix the hurdle panel to the stakes with simple wire ties. The natural variation in the woven branches, the warm honey-brown tones of fresh hazel, the slight irregularity of the weave. All of these qualities give your garden borders genuine artisan character that no manufactured product can replicate. They suit cottage gardens, kitchen gardens, and any relaxed naturalistic style perfectly. Cost? Hazel hurdle rolls run around 15 pounds to 25 pounds per meter. Idea number 6. Wine bottle borders. Here it is. The one I promised you. And I need you to stay with me for a moment before you judge this one. Because done correctly, this is one of the most jaw-dropping, conversation-starting, genuinely unique border ideas you will ever see. Glass wine bottles buried neck down in the ground along your border line with just the base pointing upward. When sunlight hits those glass bases, they glow. Green bottles create an emerald shimmer. Blue bottles look like scattered sapphires along your border. Mix colors in a deliberate pattern, and you get a mosaic effect that changes throughout the day as the light moves. Dig your trench 20 centimeters deep. Pack bottles neck down tightly with no gaps between them. Bases sitting 5 to 8 centimeters above ground. Backfill firmly on both sides. To sort by color for maximum visual impact. All green with blue accents. A rainbow sequence, alternating clear and colored. The creative possibilities are genuinely unlimited. And here's what makes this genuinely clever beyond just the looks. Packed tightly with no gaps, the bottles form a surprisingly effective physical barrier against grass creep and weed invasion. They're not just beautiful, they're functional. Cost? Completely free. You are using what most people put in the recycling bin. I need a comment from you on this one. Did it surprise you? Are you going to try it? Tell me right now. Idea number 7. Corten steel strip borders. For those who want their garden to look genuinely architectural and premium without the premium price tag. Corten steel strip edging. This is the edging material used in high-end professional garden design. That warm, rust-colored patina that develops over time looks spectacular against green grass and dark planting. It is razor-precise, completely permanent, and it gets more beautiful every single season as the patina deepens. Installation is identical to standard steel edging. Hammer into position, connect with joining pins, bend gently for curves. The difference is entirely in the finish and the visual quality. Yes, it costs more than basic steel edging, but it is a one-time investment that adds genuine design quality to your garden permanently. Cost? Around £4 to £7 per meter. For an average garden border, approximately £50 to £100. Would you invest in Corten for a forever border? Tell me in the comments. Our idea number 8. Slate tile border, standing vertical. This one looks like it cost 3 times what it actually did. Thin slate tiles, the kind sold as roofing slate or decorative garden slate from builders' merchants, pushed vertically into the ground side by side along your borderline, create a sleek, contemporary, genuinely architectural border that looks completely custom and expensive. The dark gray-black color of natural slate against green grass and either pale gravel or dark mulch is a stunning material combination. The slight variation in each slate piece, the natural texture, the tonal differences, gives the border organic character while maintaining clean modern lines. Push each slate piece approximately a third of the way into the ground for stability. Pack them tightly together, with no gaps. Ensure the tops are roughly level for a clean finish. For curved borders, slate tiles bend very slightly, enough to follow gentle curves naturally without cutting or shaping. Cost? Reclaimed roofing slates cost almost nothing at salvage yards. New decorative slate tiles around £1 to £2 per piece. Idea number 9. Log slice border warm. Natural, completely unique. Cross-section log slices. Circular cuts through a branch or small log, pushed vertically into the ground side by side, create the most characterful natural timber border you can imagine. Every slice is slightly different. Every one shows a unique ring pattern. Together, they create a border with genuine organic beauty and warmth. Source your logs from a tree surgeon, a local woodland, or even branches from your own garden pruning. Cut into even slices approximately 8 to 10 centimeters thick using a chainsaw or handsaw. Push each slice vertically into a prepared trench, packed tightly together. The raw cross-section face of each slice shows the natural ring pattern of the wood, a detail that makes people stop and look closely every single time. Treat with exterior wood preservative for longevity. Lasts several years before needing replacement. Cost? Potentially free of sourcing your own logs. Otherwise around £10 to £20 for enough material to border a medium bed. Idea number 10. Living plant borders. We finish with the most natural, the most beautiful, and arguably the most rewarding border idea on the entire list. Plants themselves as your border. A dense single row of low-growing, compact, unspreading plants planted right along the edge of your bed creates a living, breathing, constantly changing border that no hard material can match for sheer beauty across the seasons. The best plants for living borders. Lavender for fragrance and purple flower spikes. Armeria maritima for perfect grass-like tufts with pink pom-pom flowers. Creeping thyme for a dense flat mat that releases fragrance when brushed. Alyssum for cascading white or purple flowers that spill beautifully over edges. Box for a classic formal clipped border with year-round evergreen structure. Plant in a dense single row. Mulch between plants with dark bark or fine gravel. Trim back twice a season to maintain definition. The result is a border that looks designed, smells incredible, attracts pollinators, and gets more beautiful with every passing season. Cost? At around £15 to £30 for plants to border a medium bed. Quick roundup. Dark steel lawn edging. Clean, modern, permanent. Recycled brick borders. Free, timeless, characterful. Painted concrete blocks. Bold, unexpected, surprisingly stunning. Gabion basket mini borders. Architectural, structural, distinctive. Woven hazel hurdles. Rustic, artisan, genuinely beautiful. Wine bottle borders. Free, genius, glowing. Corten steel strip. Premium, permanent, architectural. Vertical slate tiles. Sleek, contemporary, expensive looking. Log slice border. Warm, natural, completely unique. Living plant borders. Fragrant, beautiful, alive. 10 ideas. Every budget, every style, every garden. Pick one. Start this weekend. Closing before you go. Go back to that comment you left at the start. But what did your garden borders look like when you began watching? Now tell me which of these 10 ideas you are doing first. Drop it in the comments. This community wants to know, and I personally want to follow your progress. If this gave you even one idea that made you think, I can actually do that, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to No Fail Garden. Every week, real ideas, honest budgets, real transformations. Your garden borders are about to change everything. Start this weekend. You've got this.